This video is to show how to change the gear oil on a motorcycle. This motorcycle is a 1986 Honda Shadow 700. I've already took it out for about 20 minutes just to warm this stuff up here. Hopefully it catches some debris in the oil and it'll flow right out once I drain it here. This is the first time I've changed it, so we'll see how it looks. I don't know if it's been changed in the past or how often it's been changed. But what we have here is the fill cap, and this is the drain cap. So I'm going to open up the fill cap first here. Oh, wrong way. Lefty. In this cap there's an O-ring here, which I'll be taking that out and replacing it, and also cleaning some of the gunk out of there. Doing some research online, I know when you fill this up there should be fluid like down here, just right to the end where the screw's on. Well, and there it really doesn't look too bad. It does look a little low, however. So we'll get the drain cap off so we can drain the old oil out of it. Of course, that's tightened again. It does look pretty black. When you do this, you would want to change it all while your bike's on a center stand or while it's straight up and down. And I think I'm just going to let it drain for as long as possible here, probably a good 20 minutes or so, and then what I'll look to be doing is put a new washer, or sorry, a new gasket around this cap here, cleaning this up, and then we'll put some more oil in here. It does say use Hypoid gear oil, SAE 80. So that's what I'll be looking for when I go get some here in just a moment. Alright, so I got the drain cap put back on nice and tight. I have filled the shaft drive with the Hypoid gear oil, the SAE 80. As you can see, when it's filled, it should be right up to that brim where the threads start. I've also oiled up the cap with the O-ring, with some oil on there. So now I just got to tighten everything up and it will be good to go. And that's how you change the gear oil in a drive shaft Honda Shadow. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching.